What did you just hear? Did you hear a train? And then we saw some geese? Did we see some geese?
Geese?
Yeah, and what about that puppy? Puppy?
Puppy?
Yeah, pretty puppy. What's that? What's that?
A car?
Yeah. Do you like the slides?
Right?
Yeah. Are they fun?
So fun.
Yeah. Do you like your hat?
Yes?
Yeah, Grandma made that hat. Yeah, you can go back on the slide. Gonna go up the slide? Yeah. Rudolph! Yep.
A car?
Car.